Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Now, this is my car. It's a Subaru 2012 Impreza Sport. Now, I've had this car for almost 9 years now, and I haven't made any single upgrade with this car, so it's all in stock. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my experience with GROWL Audio Davao. They're located at A&E Building, corner Ruby and Coral Street, Marfori, Davao City. So the place is very clean, well kept, well maintained, and also they observe proper COVID-19 health protocols, so you can visit them anytime during office hours. And also their staff are very friendly, very courteous, and very professional, so well done. So in this part of the video, I'm going to show you all of their current lineup of products that they are currently serving, and all of the cars that are compatible with their Android head unit. Now, prior to the installation of the head unit, the staff are going to do a manual checkup of your car, go over some checklists just to make sure that the car is working fine.
Papak ng preno.
Yeah, can go ahead, guys.
Isarado mo muna. Sara mo.
Okay na.
Adjust na lang pagka napantay na kasi mataas pa yan eh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Ay, sir, okay, pagpicture namin kayo.
So that's it, guys. The whole process of installation just took us around less than an hour. Their services is top notch. I had a great experience with them. Their staff are very courteous, very respectful, and highly professional. So GROWL Audio Davao, highly recommend it. Again, if you want to upgrade your car entertainment system, head over to GROWL Audio Davao at Marfori, Davao City.
Anytime LeBron James in the building against Steph. A lot of star power here. We already talked about their experience. They got that in spades. Something to watch all year.
Hope you liked the video, guys. If you do, please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestion, feel free to write it down in the comments. This is KSX Tech. See you on the next video. Stay safe, guys, and have a great day.